Hello everyone, welcome to RK Collections. This is Sushmita. If you're watching us for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and do click on bell icon to get notified immediately so that you can watch our latest collections up to date. First of all, I would like to thank each and every person for watching our videos and supporting the channel. Thank you so much, Andy. As I said, we've added lots of new collections to the new store. If you haven't visited our new store, please make a visit and shop your favorite collection. I'll be mentioning the address here. This new store is located at MIG 215 opposite to Metro Parking beside ICICI Bank, KPHP Colony, Kukatpalli. So in today's episode, we are going to see 3 different types of sarees. Fancy silk chanderi sarees with kanchi borders, chiffon floral printed sarees with zari border, and crepe silk sarees with crystal embroidered borders. These are all under very affordable price. If you would like to purchase these lovely sarees, please follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, please check the code which is being displayed on the screen while showcasing the saree. Step number 2, please click on the link which is given in the description box of the particular code that will directly take you to the page of your favorite saree. Step number 3, please add your favorite saree to the cart and do checkout. Please note, cash on delivery and WhatsApp purchase is not available at RK Collections. If you have any queries and questions, please do reach out to our customer support team. We would be glad to assist you. Let's get into the episode. So the first pattern in today's episode is fancy chanderi silk sarees with kanchi borders. So this is a saree, such a lovely combination of leafy green with hot pink. Let's check the saree. If we see the top portion is having nice 3-inch border with elephants and peacocks running over the border, and the color of the border is the combination, it's a 2-tone border in the combination of leafy green with hot pink. And let's check the middle portion. The middle portion is having chevron pattern in woven gold zari, having the base of leafy green color, and this is very close by and looks very rich. This is all woven in gold zari. Let's check the bottom portion. The bottom portion is a skirt border, around 10-inch border, and if you closely check the border is having multiple borders as one single border. The top portion is having these cute peacocks and elephants running along the way, and in the middle we are having this khadi border, and we are having the same elephant and peacock border in the bottom as well, with nice pink as selvage. Let's check the pallu now. This is the pallu, very rich and elegant, nicely woven gold zari pallu. We are having very pretty tiny checks inside the pallu with these elephants and peacock borders either side of the pallu. This looks very rich. Let's check the blouse now. The blouse is also with lovely woven gold booties in the blouse piece with borders either side. Priced at $820, and this is such a amazing price for this kind of saree, and you don't even have to do another blouse for this because such a lovely combination. We are also having another 2 different combinations in this. Let's check them as well. So let's check the second color combination in this pattern. The second color combination is a very nice mustard green with electric pink. Let's check the saree. So this is how the saree looks. This is the same saree as which we've seen before, and the body was in leafy green and this one's body is in mustard green. Priced at $820 only. Let's check the other color shade. The third color combination which we are seeing in this first pattern is nice pink with purple combination. Let's check the saree. So this is how the saree looks. These are all priced at 820 rupees only, and this is such a wonderful price for this kind of saree. Previously we've added these sarees, but people loved it. Whoever missed this design, we've got wonderful color combinations for you. Please do purchase. If you would like to purchase, we've given the links in the description box. Please do follow. Let's check the other pattern. So let's check the next color combination. This is such a lovely color combination of bright red with purple. So this is the saree. Let's check the top portion. The top border is having this nice khadi border in the middle with tiny mangoes going along with this border in the top as well as in the bottom, and this is having this tiny temple design in the bottom as well. Check the middle portion. The middle portion is so exquisite. This is having such a beautiful flower clusters, flower bunches you can say, in the all over the sari. If you see, we have this contrast thread woven as flower bunch. We have greens, yellows, blues and creams in this sari. Such a lovely color combination that we are seeing now. Let's check the bottom portion. The bottom portion is having this cut border around the length of 10 inches. If you check the border, the top portion is having these tiny temples going along the border with tiny mangoes as well. And in the middle, we've got this huge kadi border with these flower creepers in the bottom of the border with blue selvage going on. Let's check the pallu. The pallu is very rich. It looks like a tissue pallu. If you see, this pallu has got these tiny diamonds in this pallu with flower creepers in the bottom and top of the pallu. This has also got these cute tassels. Let's check the blouse. The blouse is in nice gold zari woven brocade blouse. This has got this nice diamonds in the blouse. This is the woven pattern. This has also got borders either side in blue. Priced at $850. So this is the next pattern. This is such a lovely chiffon floral printed saris with zari embroidery in mirror work. Let's check the sari. If you check the top portion, this top portion is having nice tiny maroon red piping in the top. Let's check the body. The body is having these zari tiny booty bunches all over the sari. So these are the bunches embroidered in zari, golden zari. So this is nice flower patterns running along the body in nice contrast colors. If you check the bottom is like this. This has got this cutwork in scallop zari embroidery, and this has got mirrors in this as well. Very lovely. And let's check the pallu. The pallu is running pallu, and this is the pallu. Let's check the blouse now. The blouse is in contrast maroon red with very nice mango booties embroidered in golden zari. Priced at $630. We've got a lot of new colors in this color combinations in this pattern. Let's check those color combinations as well. So this is the next color combination in the second pattern. Such a lovely color in pastel olive green. This has got this contrast maroon red as a blouse. Let's check the sari. This looks very lovely. Priced at $630. Let's check the other color shades as well. The third color shade is a very nice electric green with maroon red color combination. This is the sari. Priced at $630. Let's check the other shade as well, other color combinations. This is such a nice faint red with copper sulfate blue color combination. So this is the sari, priced at $630. Let's check the other color combinations available in this pattern. This is very pretty mauve color shade with nice maroon red color combination. Priced at $630. Let's check the other color combination as well. This is very nice copper sulfate blue with maroon red combination. Priced at $630. If you would like to buy these saris, please check the codes which are being displayed and click on the links which we have given in the description box. Let's check the other pattern as well. So this is the last pattern in this video today. So let's check this sari. The sari is in the combination of very nice copper sulfate blue with navy blue. This is a double shaded sari. Let's check the sari. The top portion is having this very cute diamond shaped border embroidered in crystals with nice box of crystals accumulated together as one single booty. This is the design. Let's check the middle part. The middle part has got this checkered pattern, and each box has this flower formed cute crystal embroidered booty inside it. And let's check the bottom border. The bottom border is same as the top border with this diamond shaped embroidery in the bottom as well, with this contrast piping in the bottom. Let's check the pallu. The pallu is running pallu and also has got this lovely cute tassels in the bottom. Let's check the blouse. The blouse is also in shaded pattern with this lovely border embroidered in crystals. This has also got this contrast piping for this. The sari itself is very heavy, so you don't have to do another blouse at all. This is such a lovely sari for such a price. Priced at 1360. This have got lovely color shades, color combinations in this. Let's check them as well. So let's check the color combinations available in this last pattern. The second color combination is a very nice neon pink with reddish pink. Priced at 1360. Let's check the other color combination as well. This is nice light peach with dark peach. We can say pinkish peach. Priced at 1360. Let's check the other color combination as well. This is such an elegant combination. Very pretty combination with pastel yellow with banana leafy green. Priced at 1360. Let's check the other color combination as well. This is the other color combination. Light yellow with turmeric yellow. Priced at 1360. Next color combination is pretty light peach with neon pink. Priced at 1360. This is the other color combination. Lovely greens, I would say. Light green to dark green. Priced at 1360. Let's check the other color combination as well. This is lovely pastel yellow to nice pinkish peach. Priced at 1360. So that's all for today's episode. We've seen wonderful color combinations and shades and patterns in this video. If you would like to purchase these sarees, please log on to www.rkcollections.in. If you would like to visit the stores and purchase, I'll be mentioning the addresses here. We have 5 stores across Hyderabad. We have 3 stores in KPHP Colony, Kukatpalli, 1 in the name of RK Selections. We have 4th store in Dilshuk Nagar near Connaught Theatre. We have 5th store in Kottapet near Victoria Memorial Metro Station. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.